Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. Let me start off by saying I normally do not share any companies that don't have a review rating of at least a 3 out of 5-star rating. I just try to protect my viewers from those unsatisfactory companies. However, this company is right on that line. They have a 2.9 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. They have 73 reviews. But the reason I am sharing is the job itself is too good to pass up. They are looking for somebody to basically process documents. They don't really require any experience whatsoever. It is a part-time position, which I know a lot of my viewers are looking for, and it is completely non-phone. Sometimes it is hard to find those non-phone part-time positions. So I am sharing, make sure you do your own research on the company before you give them any of your personal information. As always, the links to all the pages I share, including this Glassdoor page, are linked down in the YouTube description box below this video. But today's job is from the company Stride. Now, Stride is hiring a document processor. This is remote for the United States only. It is a 1099 contractor role. It is a virtual and part-time. Stride is a company that believes in K-12 education for anyone. They provide families with the online option for a high-quality, personalized education experience. They are looking for a document processor to be responsible for reviewing and processing enrollment applications, student enrollment documentation, and student file maintenance. So the basis of the job is process, verify, and maintain information associated with prospective and existing student accounts, student activities, and enrollments. You will adhere to the document processing guidelines and procedures outlining quality and productivity expectations. You ensure the school and state compliancy guidelines are met for all incoming enrollment documents. You'll enter the enrollment documents such as transcripts, birth certificates, proof of residency, and immunization records into the student record system. You'll establish your secure access to that student record system, and you'll proactively update your supervisor with assignment status or any delays. Best part about this position, the minimum requirements is a high school diploma or GED or 0 to 1 years of experience. If you don't have that high school diploma or GED, it says 0 to 1 years of experience or equivalent combination of education and experience. So basically, if you have the education, you're good. If not, if you have 0 to 1 year of experience, you're good. So they're really requiring no experience whatsoever. You do have to have a high-speed internet connection, but they're looking for somebody who has strong communication skills, someone who has strong attention to detail, and can attend virtual training through webcam. If this sounds like something you're interested in, pay for this position is $14.50 an hour. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.